What do you do? Can you show me how you eat hummus? Can you show me? No. That's why this is not going to work. Here, Ruben, show me how you eat the hummus. How do you eat the hummus? Show me. Oh, very good. Is that taste? Mmm. Very good. Can you eat it again? Can you show me again? Where's the hummus? Where's the hummus? Oh, it's on your cucumber. There it is. Very nice dipping. But you're not supposed to double dip.
I think babies are allowed.
I don't know. Baby saliva is kind of the worst.
Is it?
It's pretty potent. You gonna dip again?
Triple dip.
Oh, they're gonna throw you out.
I think he made that show before John Ritter even
Mmm.
I think so.
died. That was a real early
Yeah.
one.
Very good. Don't talk about John Ritter. I'm taking a video of the baby.
Oh, sorry. That sound?
Yes.
Oh, sorry.